My name is Andrzej Krzywda. You may know me from my blog, Andrzej on Software. You may know me from running Arkansas, a company which used to be Ruby and Rails, but now is Ruby, Rails, and React. At some point of time, we switched to React for basically all of our frontends, JavaScript frontends. We've wrote a lot of blog posts on that topic. We released YouTube videos, repositories, and we wrote some books. And the books, one of the book, became part of the React Indie Bundle, which was running for the last week, and there is only one day left to get it. You will find it at reactindiebundle.com. And you will see all the details. I'm not going to read everything. It's just I want to say that this is really a great deal. There are 6 great people, and there's a whole team of Arkansas actually behind me who helped with the books on the Arkansas side. The packages, they contain several books and several repositories, 19 hours of video and consulting, pair programming, and code review. And the biggest package is actually is a team license. So I wanted to show you what's exactly inside when you buy, when you pay, when you download everything. You basically have everything downloaded so you can use it offline. And that's what you get. That's the whole list of things. It's not everything here yet. There is part of on Udemy. So there are books, there are repositories. Let me start with what you get at Udemy. So you will receive an email which you can use to open the courses here at Udemy. So there are 3 of them. It's React.js course by Azad, and Stephen presents build web apps with React.js and Flux, and also build apps with React Native, so mobile applications with React. Those classes are really well prepared. There are short videos, so you can, learn it step by step with 2-3 minute steps, which is really good. So only the videos are a huge value. If you're not so much into videos, you can look at the books. And the books are the following: React plus D3. So D3 is a hot technology for data visualization, and I think it's also useful for that reason. So you have almost 80 pages of value for how you can combine those 2 things. You have React Under the Hood, which is a beginner's guide. If you're a total newbie to React, this is probably the place to start. 70 pages of learning React from nothing to the next. And then you have Survive.js by Juho, and that's Webpack and React. So that Webpack is like very cool technology now for modularizing and deploying front-end applications. So, and those 2 things go really well together. 200 pages. And React.js by example, which is the Arkansas work, it was a team effort. We wrote 15 chapters, and each chapter is going through building small widgets of small React components step by step, so you can see several approaches how to do it. There are screenshots, and you can follow it along. To the books, there are videos attached, so it's not only the video that is part of the Udemy, it's also what you get here. For example, you have some videos in here, but also you have the repositories which you can follow. Oh, that's the screencast I was looking for. So that's like 2 gigs of video here. There are cheat sheets you can print and keep them on your desk, and there are many repositories. And React by example, the project I was involved in, comes with, I think it's I don't know, more than 10 or 15, I think it should be, repositories. Oh, they're the bonus ones. So if you go to one of them, like the password strength matter, I actually had it open here in my IDE. So everything is set up, everything is ready. You can also follow the steps, what has been changing, what has been added, and why what was added. So it's a gradual approach. It's not that you can see the final value, and everything is set up so you can just go and run it. I just started a Webpack here, a Webpack code create that's actually working with a. This is the password strength matter example, and this is a fully working application. But what's cool is that I can change whatever I want and just press Command S and it reloads automatically. And this works for everything, not only for labels. So that's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, the comment history, it contains every step. And so all in all, you have a huge value in all those things here. I estimate that if you really want to study everything and if you want to really bring your career, into the React direction, which I think will becoming a hot thing in the job market, this gives you several months of learning. This gives you like 6 months of learning, in my opinion. So if you start from zero React knowledge right now, you will spend 6 months to actually get all of it. But after this time, you will be one of the best React experts in the world. So you will become the front-end expert. I think it's really worth it. As a company, we are strongly switching into React. We have our own brand called React Kung Fu, which is part of Arkansas. And the whole team switched to React. There's like 18 developers at Arkansas, and everyone is capable of writing React now. So we are no longer just Ruby on Rails shop. And I think that this deal is a really good thing to do. And the price is really good. So you have 1 day left. And I don't think this kind of offer will appear again very soon. Thank you for listening and enjoy the bundle.